Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to always run a program as an administrator. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you need a program to always run with administrative privileges, you can set it up to do so automatically. Here's how to achieve this. Using the program shortcut, right-click on the program shortcut, or the .exe file. Select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Effect. This setting applies to all users on the computer. Whenever the program is launched by any user, it will run with administrator privileges. Scope. The setting is applied to the specific program file, regardless of how it is launched, via shortcut, command line, etc. In short, this applies the setting universally to the program file for all users, or right-click on the program shortcut, or the .exe file. Select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab. Click on Advanced button. Check the box next to Run as Administrator. Click OK. Click Apply and then OK. If prompted, click Continue to allow the program to make changes. Effect. This setting applies only to the specific shortcut you are editing. When you launch the program using this shortcut, it will run with administrator privileges. Scope. The setting is limited to the shortcut itself. If the program is launched through other means, another shortcut, direct.exe execution, etc., it may not run with administrator privileges. In short, applies the setting to a specific shortcut for the user who created it. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.